Today I have for you this really cool pendant light by Carcebo. Let's take a look here. This is a hanging light. There we go. And it's got the crackled glass. I'll give you a close-up look at that. But this is great because you just put an adjustable bulb in here, and then right on the cord, you can sit and adjust and dim it. It goes very bright. Or dim it to how you like. We like it right here in this corner because it's a perfect spot next to our couch for reading. But let me give you a close-up look at the light so you can see the crackle shade. Super easy to put together. It's got a nice long 16-foot cord, the hardware, the hooks for you to put it up. Fantastic. So this here is the control. So this is going to allow you to brighten and dim this. And this, like I said, is on the 16-foot cord. Give you a close-up look of that crackle shade. It is so cool. Just a really beautiful accent light. We have it in our living room, but you could do this over a kitchen table. So many options with the dimmable light. You see, hangs up there like that. So the pendant light by Carcebo.